In this tutorial, I will show you how to find magazine articles and newspaper articles from publications that are not peer-reviewed journals. One of the things about OneSearch is that when you select article from the right-hand side of the search bar, which I'll do here, articles, press the green arrow to find those. You will note that among the various articles that I see are peer-reviewed journals. In fact, OneSearch will privilege peer-reviewed journals over non-peer-reviewed sources. In order to see sources that are not peer-reviewed, magazines, newspaper articles, etc., what I need to do is to go to Availability, and unlike in the previous video where I selected peer-reviewed journals, note that to the right side there's a little red check with a red X through it that says Exclude Peer-Reviewed Journals. Press that, and now your results will exclude peer-reviewed journals. Now I'm still seeing some book chapters showing up as a quote article, so what I can do in OneSearch is go down to resource type and select articles, for example, or newspaper articles. As in the previous video, it's important to remember all filters, in this case to remember the strike through peer-reviewed journals, and then I can go in and select articles, for example. The articles that I will see now should come from sources that are not peer-reviewed. In this case, these will be magazines. If I were to select newspapers, those of course would be newspaper articles. Remember that when you select a new filter, to remember all filters should you go and change your keywords. To see results that are non-peer-reviewed articles that the library may not have access to, expand My Results there, and now you can choose Interlibrary Loan for any article that we do not have immediate access to.